This profile covers Anthropic, the AI safety company behind Claude, spun out of OpenAI in 2021. Dario Amodei, Daniela Amodei, and veteran researchers bet that safety and alignment should lead speed and scale. We'll trace the founding split, key people, constitutional AI, major funding, the Claude product line, and surprising facts about one of AI's most closely watched private companies. Education only, not investment advice. Anthropic's story begins in 2021 when 7 people, mostly OpenAI veterans, left to start fresh. The core tension was deployment speed versus safety guardrails, when to ship, how much testing, who decides. Dario Amodei had led research through the GPT-2 and GPT-3 era at OpenAI. Daniela Amodei came from operations. Their bet, safety research must be an equal partner in the product roadmap, not a side project. Dario Amodei is CEO, Princeton Neuroscience PhD, former Google Brain and OpenAI research lead, later VP of research. He's known for influential work on scaling laws and AI safety, public essays on long context risks and responsible scaling. Daniela Amodei is president, former OpenAI VP of operations who scaled hiring and infrastructure through GPT-3 training. Sibling co-founders are rare in frontier AI. Shared trust enables fast decisions but raises governance questions too. Anthropic isn't just 2 names. The founding team included GPT-3 lead author Tom Brown, scaling laws researcher Jared Kaplan, and interpretability pioneer Chris Olah. Olah became famous for visualizing neural network circuits. Understanding AI from the inside is part of Anthropic's culture. The team stayed intentionally small, a talent density play against big tech labs with thousands of engineers. Research publishes openly, responsible scaling policy, interpretability work, building enterprise trust. Anthropic's signature innovation is constitutional AI. Models receive explicit principles, then refined through AI feedback rather than relying only on human labels. That shaped Claude's helpful, honest, harmless tone that enterprise customers prefer. They published a responsible scaling policy, capability levels that trigger extra safeguards. Critics call safety branding differentiation, supporters call it engineering discipline, the real reason for the OpenAI split. The product line is Claude, from research preview to Claude 2 to the Claude 3 family with Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku tiers balancing capability and cost. Long context windows, 200,000 tokens and beyond, became famous for analyzing legal documents, codebases, and research papers in one pass. Claude.ai competes with ChatGPT for consumers. The API competes with OpenAI for developers. Distribution runs through Amazon Bedrock and Google Cloud, hyperscaler partners racing in AI themselves. Anthropic is capital-intensive. Frontier model training runs can exceed hundreds of millions of dollars. Google invested billions plus cloud partnership, chip and TPU access. Amazon committed up to $4 billion, exclusive Claude distribution on AWS Bedrock. The paradox, investors are also AI competitors with Gemini and Amazon models, yet Anthropic needs scale and they need enterprise options. Private valuation reports approached OpenAI at times. Public market exposure remains limited for investors. Go-to-market stayed enterprise first, no ChatGPT-style consumer viral moment, instead targeting legal, finance, and tech companies wanting reliable assistance. SOC 2 compliance, data retention policies, audit-friendly messaging, reassuring legal teams is part of the sale. Integrations in Notion, Slack, and developer tools build an API ecosystem. The trade-off, lower mass-market brand awareness, potentially stronger contract values and retention. Interesting facts, Claude is named for Claude Shannon, father of information theory, the mathematician who understood signal and noise. The company chose B Corp-style public benefit framing, legally emphasizing safety mission alongside profit. In 2023 Dario met the UK Prime Minister at an AI summit, same table as Sam Altman and Demis Hassabis, 3 rival labs in one photo. Model cards and system cards publish openly, rare transparency in frontier AI. A Washington, D.C. policy office keeps Anthropic active in EU AI Act and U.S. regulation debates. Recap, Anthropic is the 2021 OpenAI spinout led by Dario and Daniela Amodei, built on constitutional AI, funded by Google and Amazon, delivering the Claude product family with an enterprise focus. Safety-first AI is either the future or the best marketing in tech, time will tell. Comment which company profile you want next, OpenAI, DeepMind, or Cursor. Subscribe for more finance legends on TwoMinFinance. Education only, not investment advice.